Northern parts, hold on to them for a while, keep them protected, because there will be quite a bit of frost around in the week ahead. Now, we've seen a big change in the weather, especially for southern and eastern areas. Those temperatures today are much, much lower. That's because this cold front here, pretty weak one in Italy, has introduced winds from a more northerly quarter, and those winds that you can see here are fairly strong along that eastern coast, and that's where it is going to be feeling coldest of all. But the winds do tend to die away as we get to this evening and through into the night. But these are the temperatures for this afternoon, much, much lower than we had yesterday in many parts of the country, down to around the normal for the time of year, and along that eastern coast, if anything, below normal, feeling, as I said just now, quite cold. Now, on the radar, there's a fair number of showers in northern parts of the country, even some more persistent rain still around in southern Scotland. Those showers are going to continue, really, for the rest of the day, one or two quite heavy ones, and they'll turn wintry over those Scottish mountains. The eastern slice of England has some more general cloud and spots of rain, and that's only going to slowly but surely edge a little bit further away eastwards, breaking up all the while. So a little bit of brightness coming along, but perhaps a cloud holding on for quite a while yet, especially across East Anglia and the southeast. We've already seen the temperatures for today, and it is going to be a jolly cold night tonight, because that cloud is going to break up and thin, and there'll be some good clear spells during the night in many places. Still some showers running in around those northern and western coasts, but here's the message I gave at the beginning. A very cold night in many parts of the country, certainly a widespread ground frost in the more western and northern areas, even a touch of air frost in one or two places as well. High pressure well and truly on the scene for tomorrow. It won't necessarily kill all the showers, there will be one or two around, but most parts will have a dry day, I think, with a fair amount of sunshine. But again, the message for tomorrow night is that there will be a widespread ground frost, and again, just here and there, a touch of air frost as well. And then that area of high pressure is going to settle down, I think, with us really for the rest of the week. There will be some fronts brushing close to the northwest of the country, so on Tuesday it'll be quite breezy there with some cloud and maybe some outbreaks of rain, but the rest of the country, after that early frost, warming up nicely and having a dry day with a fair amount of sunshine. But again, on Tuesday night there will be some ground frost around, not in the northwest where that wind and cloud will save the day there. And then high pressure with us on Wednesday, rather more isobars across the south, so the breeze will be picking up across southern areas, and that easterly wind may well bring some rather misty, murky weather in along the east coast and hold the temperatures down there. But most places should enjoy dry weather and reasonably warm weather, again though after that chilly start with some ground frost, more particularly this time in central and northern parts. On Thursday the high pressure still there, so another day, well, perhaps a little bit warmer, but another very similar day, and again we have that threat of ground frost in the more central and northern parts of the country, and that's